Hey guys, this is Wes back with another video. I am doing another DIY video. I don't know why, I just been liking doing these videos. Um, so as you can see, I got a hat here and some stuff. Uh, if you don't know by the title here, it's gonna be a Sgt Slaughter hat. Um, I'm planning on meeting him in June. I believe it's the 14th. He's coming down here to Jacksonville and River City Wrestling Con. So I think it'd be cool for him to have him sign. Uh, Hopefully that still goes on. If not, I can get him another time. He does these shows all the time. But anyways, so what version I'm gonna do is basically his. I kind of call it the 2000 version. Um, this is when he like came back here and there. Uh, when he faced, uh, Randy Orton there, and, the Spirit Squad and people like that, around 2003, 4 or 5, around there. Um, so, yeah, I'm going to go with this the brown version. He had a brown one and a green, or like an olive version. Like I said, I'm doing that 2003, 4, 5 version. So he had the brown cap there. Then he had the sequin around it. He had a belt. But anyways, so the total price for all these, I got the hat for $10 on eBay. Got this gold sequin here from Walmart for $3. Got this. So basically his ranking was a staff sergeant. And hold on here. So here's that. If you can see it, it's just a regular pen. That was $3 on eBay. And then I got this belt. So this belt is actually a woman's belt. As you can see, it's really thin. For an actual belt, they want like $20 for it, and I thought that was too high. So I just went ahead, went on eBay, found the thinnest belt that I could find, and this was the thinnest. And yeah, so that was only $5. Just went the cheaper way out on that one. It looks similar to it, I think this was more of a chrome, but I don't think that's a big deal. But yeah, so if you want to go my route, you got a 10, 3, 3, and 5. That's $21 there. And yeah, Staff Sergeant is the pen there, just to make sure. So what tools you need. So if you decide to go the $20 route with the belt, you won't need these other tools over here. I went ahead and got a mallet and a screwdriver. I'm going to go ahead and basically poke a hole similar to this. I'm obviously going to have to cut it. So, and then the other tool you'll need would be scissors, just to cut that. And I'm also going to cut them with these. It's pretty thin leather, so I think it should be able to cut through. And then the only item you'll need is the super glue. Already had this available from my last project, but you can go to the Dollar Tree and buy a 2-pack for $1. That's just going to be used for the sequins here. So yeah, first I'm going to go ahead and drill my hole. I'm going to cut it out, drill my hole, and I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so I went ahead and busted a hole in here. If you can see there. There you go. It's pretty simple. Just I wrapped it around the hat. Marked it. Just cut it off halfway. I might need more cutting here, but marked it there in the back with the marker, and then just grabbed your screwdriver, and then just pound it in. Like I said, a mallet should work just fine. And then kind of just got my scissors there and kind of just like I said, be careful, but I kind of just wiggled it around in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the hat, and that's gonna be our next step. So I'll be back. Alright, so here's a product on that. That looks pretty good. Here it is all the way around. If you can see it. No, it's black there. So it fits pretty good. So I don't know if you can see that hole there. Probably gonna get some probably gonna do my paint marker and just touch up around that real quick. And it should be good, but here's the front of it. The front of it looks awesome. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece off of the sequence all the way around, wrap it, and then glue it on. So I'll be back. Alright guys, I just want to show you something real quick. So instead of like gluing all the way around, I just went ahead here and overlapped it. If you can see here, see how it's all overlapping there? I just went ahead, cut out a piece, or measured it, all the way around, cut out a piece, and just went ahead and glued it there. In case I don't like that belt or something, and I can, if I break down and get the other belt, the real one, I can just move this up and down. And this is a elastic too, as you can see how it stretches. So all you had to do was just, stretch all the way around, glue where you want to glue. That was really it. So go ahead and put the belt on, and then I'm going to put on that pin there, and it will basically be the finished product. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so here is the final product. Turned out really cool. I really like it. Went ahead and put that pin on there, just in it right in the middle. Here's the inside of it. If you can see it, it's just clipped right in there. So I really like it. I really like how the band turned out too, the sequence there. I will tell you that if you're going to do it my way, where you overlap it and just glue that part, the overlap should be in the back. At least for me, because I'm going to have them sign in the front here. And the way I'm going to display it will probably be like, flat like that, or on the corner there where you can't really see the back. So, and then that's really it. And then what's cool about this belt is basically keeping that sequence in, at least on the sides here. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I really like it. It came out really awesome. Went ahead and touched it up a little bit there with my paint marker on the black part. So it looks good. I like it. Yeah, I think I'll have them sign it right here on the bill here. It is like I want to say it's like a felt kind of, but it's just really thin. So probably have them sign it in silver or something. I don't see too many people doing this. I might have seen one item online that was signed and looked pretty good. He had it signed in black, so the black didn't come out too good on the brown. So like I said, I was gonna do so. I'll do silver. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Do my little slideshow here in a minute, and yeah, that's about it. About a 10-minute video here going on. So, but yeah, all in all, for under, I think, $22, if you go my way, whoa, it's a big old bee. If you do it, you know, with the $5 belt there, all in all, it's $22, I believe. So pretty cool. Yeah, guys. Anyways, I appreciate all the views here and all the comments that you guys give me, and that's about it, guys. So guys, take care. I think I might do another DIY video. I'm not sure yet. It's nothing too fancy. You'll see. That video will probably be coming up soon, but yeah, anyways, guys, you guys take care and enjoy the slideshow here, and have a good one.